I have a Samsung top-load washer, WA400PJHDWR/AA, that I lost a small object in. Is there any way to access the drain filter? Or where else could this item be located?
Hello, I am here. This is Rick. Let me take a look at the breakdown and see what we can find.
Thank you.
There is no filter catch on this unit. From the inner tub everything goes to the outer tub and then from there through the pump. What did you drop?
I see. So would there be no way for me to retrieve lost items? A microSD card.
The only other idea is to fill tub with water and then pull the pump and maybe it will wash out.
Where would it wash it out to?
I am not sure if that would be big enough to stop the pump.
Yeah, I doubt it.
Can you get the unit somewhere that it can drain to the ground? Where is your unit located?
I'm not completely sure where the drain line goes to right now. The garage.
Can the garage floor get wet ?
Yeah, it's cement.
Pull the drain hose from wherever it is, then fill washer and make it drain a few times, hopeful that will wash card out. Other than that, you could pull the inner tub, but it is a lot of work if we are not sure it is still with the machine.
True. Is there a certain setting that allows the washing machine to just fill up and drain without running cycles?
No, you are going to have to manually do it.
So just pour water into the washing machine itself? And it'll just run through it?
You could do that using a hose. If you keep the drain hose up in the air it will not drain, then lower the hose and it should manually drain for you. If it does not, then just start the unit on a spin-only cycle. Did the unit go through a full cycle with the piece in it?
Yes, it did go through a full cycle.
I would try the fill and drain a few times then, but if it does not come out there is a good chance it has already passed.
True. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Anytime, let me know the outcome. I am on my way to a high school soccer game, will be home in a few hours. I will check back with you then.
Okay, I'll definitely let you know. Thank you much.
Any luck?
I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. Question, though. Should I fill the washer completely with water, and then hold the drain tube down to manually drain it?
Yes, I would fill a full tub, then let it drain straight out. I never heard back from you over the weekend. Were you able to wash out the piece you were looking for?
Hey, no, I wasn't able to do it. Thanks for the advice, though. I appreciate it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.